Hi, I am Mohammed Sinan. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can convert a ChatGPT generated equations, tables, or text into Word, which is a common problem faced by many of the students and professionals. As you all know, we most of the students or professionals use ChatGPT for their content generation or like report creation, like that. But what the lack is that the ChatGPT generated text or equations are not directly copyable to Word, which we have to convert it into Word by another website or by extensions or like that. Some of the websites also charge some amount to convert these ChatGPT equations or tables into Word. So for these all problems, we have a solution, MSPK ChatGPT to Word.com, which is a freely available website which converts ChatGPT generated equations, tables, or text into Word. Okay, I will show you how it works and how we can use it properly. Okay, let's get started. Here you can see this is my ChatGPT, and I am giving some prompt like first we have to try with some simple equations. So I'm just typing that give me some financial equations, some in tables also. Okay, I have asked something. Yeah, I'm getting like that. I asked for simple something, but this gave me too complicated equations. You can see it. Okay, let's try. Let's go to our website, MSPK ChatGPT to Word.com. Okay, you can search MSPK ChatGPT to Word.com. You can directly go to the website, and this is the website interface. Like this symbol is there, and this is the interface. You can see free ChatGPT to Word converter, convert equations, tables, and AI text to DOCX. Okay, this is the interface, and this is the engine part where you can paste the ChatGPT content and you can download the Word version from here. Okay, we will just look how the website looks. Features are saying that AI equation support, which is ChatGPT or AI generated equations you can convert. Professional tables, you can convert AI generated tables also. Real word formatting, like professional word formatting is there. Equation conversion for focus also. Okay, now you can see the example conversion. See how ChatGPT equations and tables are converted into professional Microsoft Word formatting. Okay, you can see this is what is the input from ChatGPT. You can see if I will just show you. I am just copying this. Okay, I just copied it. Then I am going to my MS Word. I am going to paste it here. Okay, I just paste here. Look how messy this format looks like. This can you Can you get this as equation? No, right? These all are broken and some brackets, extra brackets are there. Like you can't directly post this into your reports or projects something, but you need to work on it. If you are manually typing, it will take your long time. So for these reasons, people need a converter tool. So the same output given by ChatGPT, I am copying it. I copied it just now, and I am going to my website and pasting it here. Control V. Okay, I paste it, then clicking download the file. It will take as it will take some time to convert. You can see the result, how it looks like. Okay, 96, 98, 98%. Okay, the file is downloaded now. We can just go to that file. MSPK report like file is there. Okay, you can see this is what the difference between these two items. You can see this is our converted file and this is raw file. This is raw file from ChatGPT, and you can see that there are many messy items, but here you can see clear a clear view of how equation should be. Okay, you can see that these equations are very good, and equations in table also are good. That's also not broken. Table also created, but it has some limitations. Some limitations means very complex, very deep nested equations, and some chain equations break here. That's the only problem with this website. I will show you how you can solve that problem also, so that you are really free from all mistakes. Okay, I will just show you how was the input, how is the output also. Okay, this was our input. You can see this is our converted file. You can see that. Okay, okay. This is our converted. This is our initial one. Here you can see most of them are correct, right? In same format, in same equations, with borders and with breakings. These breakings are for some. Here you can see some breakings. Yeah, these breakings are also taken here like this. Okay, that's all right. Okay, now when it comes to complex financial equations, this part is the only one breaking. You can see here KD equal to 1 minus T. This equation is correct. This is right. And the below one also, this is also correct. This one, okay, this one also correct. But this MARR, this is the only one breaking part here. You can see this is very complex equation. That's why it broke. Okay, MARR equal to, it's like bracket is there, You can, if you want to edit it, you can directly edit it from here. You can just click here, and what is the part missing here? What happened here? Just what happened is that this bracket, you can see this bracket came to here. This bracket which had to come here came to here. That's what is a problem. Okay, so for solving that, you can just copy or cut that part only from here, and I'm typing Ctrl X for cutting that. Okay, I cut it. Now I am going to paste it here. After yeah, this is the right place. I am pasting it, Ctrl V. Okay, now you can see this is the exact one. 1 plus r raised to n minus t raised to, yeah, that's all right. This in this website only some problems or some equations breaks. That's very complex, or chain equations are most probably breaking through. So if you just find out that you can solve it within minutes or within seconds. So you just my humble request to all of you is that just to verify whether your ChatGPT equations or texts are correct in this converted Word file also, so that you can ensure that your record or your project or your whatever, that's fully free from errors. Okay, so that's all about this website. This website will be very helpful for your projects or workings, anything for making study materials, for making your own notes or something like that. Here main key highlight is that most of the equations are, you can convert most of the complex equations, but only deep nested means some very complicated, very high volume equations are there, like we just saw earlier, like equations only break here. So you just try it out, and you may share this video to other friends also who are required to convert these ChatGPT equations or text into Word. Okay, give me your feedbacks about this website in comments. Okay, we'll see you again. Bye.